All right, here we are again, Lake Sonoma. Beautiful day out. I try to get up here bright and early. I want to beat the crowds. We're just gonna see what happens today. I have a jig tied on. I'm gonna try some top water. Of course, Ned rig, wacky, just a regular Senko. See what happens. The thing that sucks about fishing these lakes is in the summertime, obviously, you have every single boat of the galaxy coming out to fish. So when I was coming out to where I am now, I looked out around the corner and there was probably 3 or 4 boats, bass boats, that were ahead of me. So usually not the best booster of motivation, knowing that you're getting sloppy, not even sloppy seconds, but like sloppy 3rd or 4th or 5th, and so on and so forth. So I don't know. We'll keep working this bank, work a little bit of top water, and then see what happens. Maybe I have a jig tied on, so I'll be throwing a jig and some kind of a soft plastic. And who knows? Maybe I'll throw on a crankbait or swim bait, something like that. I don't know. I'm not sure what these fish are biting. We're kind of at post-spawn, weird transition period, so they're kind of doing all kinds of weird stuff out here. So. Throw a little jerk bait here. See if it's gonna bite. Kind of working these banks here. See if any smallmouth are home. That's assuming I'm surrounded by rocks. Just trying to get a reaction bite. Just lost one. That's the thing, though. I'm kind of throwing a whole array of different baits because I just don't know, what the bite is, because it's post spawn, like I said earlier, and the water's getting warmer. The fish are starting to kind of move deep. So I don't really know, what they're really trying to target. They might be looking for an easy meal, might be chasing bait fish. I really do not know. So far the Nico rig has been kicking butt. So that's my confidence bait for the day. So I'll throw this a little bit, see if anything bites, but overall it's been pretty slow today. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, what is that? It's like a big carp. Oh, that was crazy. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, been pretty slow. I figured, summer, hot. The bite's not gonna be as juicy as it was, a month ago. So I'm okay with even just a couple, which we got. So I cannot complain. Can't complain too much. So nice out. I'm starting making my way back towards the boat ramp. If I feel like it, if the wind's not too bad, I might hit the dam for a little bit, but otherwise I think I might be calling it a day. So yeah, I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna actually hit the dam. I'm gonna work my way. Maybe hit this little section here. I never do that well right here, but I think I'm gonna scoop the loop and see if I can't find any fish off this bank over here. There's so many people on this side. There's people everywhere. Just coated with people. So I'm gonna come this way and throw my baits and see what happens. I'm not expecting too much right here, but hopefully along the dam I can get a couple. To be determined. Guess we'll find out. Alright, it's showtime. Starting off on the dam here. I'm just on the outside of it, honestly. I'm not even really... I feel like anytime I see rocks, it's best to throw a swim bait. That's what my mind tells me. So that's what we're doing. I know there are some monster smallmouth along these rocks. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do to get these smallmouth, because oh my gosh, there are some giants in here. Just kind of working parallel here, just to see what I can find. I don't know. I mean, again, just a weird time of the year. It's not full summer, but it's not spring, so it's kind of a weird. The fish are like, what do we do? What's going on? So might have to work a little harder, but they're still in here. Just gotta find them. I gotta be honest. Oh, well, I don't know what that was. Maybe that was a bite? I don't know. I don't know. The dam is always tricky because it's either windy or there's boat current, like there's waves from the boats. So you have to really play the game. Ooh, that was a bite. I just got tapped. You really have to play the game of like cat and mouse with the rocks if you come back here, because it is too easy, way too easy to get up into these rocks, and not good for your boat, kayak, whatever else you might have. So slow guy. Oh, that was a good one too. You know it's a good one when it feels like a snag. That's when you're like, that's when you're on the money. If it feels like a snag, but it's pulling, it is a nice fish. Oh, the water is so murky over here from all the boat traffic that I actually didn't even think I'd be that successful, because it's so hard to see the bait. But apparently, oh, come on, come on. It's lunchtime, guys. Let's eat. Whew. On a swim bait. Oh, lost my pole there. There's a tree, like a little log right there. And I was like, oh, there's gotta be one by that log. And yep, that would be, or that would have been an accurate statement. There was indeed one laying there. It's hard for this, you know, again, working the dam, because I so badly want to work parallel with this dam, but I just can't. Not worth the risk. You start messing around and you're like, oh, I can do it. And then something bad happens and turns out, no, you can't do it. And now that I have a trolling motor on the back, I have to take extra precaution, because obviously I have a propeller on the back. So just one of those things. As much as I wish I could fish a certain type of way, I realize, I'm starting to realize the more I add on to my kayak, you know, it's slowly turned into like a boat basically. And it's so funny, like, you know, people have boats, you can go a lot of places quick, But there's also a lot of little things that I like to do, like go up into the submerged timber, like really deep, where other people can't go. Oh, man, they are smoking their swim bait. But yeah, so that's what I'm starting to realize. Like, it's kind of a give or take. It's you win some, and then you're gonna have to lose some automatically, because you can't really do as much as you could before. So, and that's okay. Having a power option is amazing. Not having to paddle and be fatigued after an hour of fishing is really a game changer for me. So, I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate. You start paddling, you know, maybe an hour or so, especially with wind, and it's just awful. That's a snack. But yeah, it's terrible. You know, after a while, you're just kind of like, okay, this is terrible. No more. And then you go fish. You're trying to go fishing. Ooh, something just. Oh, that was cool. What was that? Smallmouth? See if he comes back for it. Oh, that was awesome. And then you're too tired. You go to, like, you know, pick up your fishing pole, and you're like, okay, I'm here. And it's hard. It's hard to fish. You can feel it. So that was what I wanted to minimize, or I guess eliminate completely if possible. And this trolling motor has really done that for me. So, but it's been pretty fun. I've got something. Oh. Ooh. Oh, no way. It's a catfish. Look at that. It's a big old catfish. Oh, that's awesome. I've never caught a catfish out here. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. It's a little bit after noon now, and you know, I got some stuff to do, so not a bad day. I mean, it was pretty slow in the morning, surprisingly. I really didn't catch that many, but towards the end, along the dam, I did okay. I got some bites, a couple fish, killing the catfish. I thought that was pretty cool. Not every day you catch a catfish out here, so that was cool. And you know, it's just, again, just a weird time of the year. You're just trying to figure them out. I don't have a fish finder, as you guys can see, so I'm really just going off of what I know, or where I think they might be, and taking a shot, taking a risk. So overall, not bad though. Can't complain. There's boats everywhere. I'm surrounded by boats, but but yeah, fun day. Any day fishing to me is a fun day, but when you catch fish, it's even better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. Until next time, peace.